Sure.
Hello, Shweta. How are you?
Hello, Swati ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. So, have you been playing cake game?
Yes, ma'am. I've been playing cake game with my friends regularly.
Wow, that's amazing. So, can you tell me that out of these two pieces, which one is bigger? The red one or the blue one?
Looks like the red one is bigger than the blue one.
Okay. How can we check?
Ma'am, we can check by keeping the blue one over that red one by
Oh,
superimposing on one another.
okay. So, I have kept it with one edge together, point on point, and we can see that the red one is bigger. That's great. And do you know what is the red one, the red piece, and what is the blue piece?
Is it 1 by 4 and 1 by 6? I think the red one is 1 by 4.
Is it? Okay, let's check. Do you think this is like 1 by 4, 1/4 of the cake, 1 by 4 of the whole cake?
No, ma'am, I think it's 1 by 6. It's a one piece
Okay.
of the whole cake.
Yes, and if this is 1 by 6, then what will this piece be, the blue one?
This is 1 by 8 of the whole cake.
Absolutely. So then which one is bigger? 1 by 6 is bigger or 1 by 8 is bigger?
Ma'am, 1 by 6 is bigger than 1 by 8.
That's great, Shweta. You're very smart. So let me ask you another one, a little more challenging. Okay.
Ah.
Now look at these two pieces. They look similar, right? Which one out
Yes,
of these
ma'am, they
is
look
bigger?
similar. But if you bring it little closer, I think the one in your right hand is little bigger than the one in your left hand.
Right. So you're saying that 1 by 12 is little bigger than 1 by 16. And how can we check
Yes.
that? How can we check that?
And we can check by superimposing again.
Okay, let's see. I'm putting 1 by 16 on 1 by 12. And do we have an extra gap here, extra space here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you're right. 1 by 12 is bigger than 1 by 16. That's great. Okay, so you are very smart. Let me ask you a little more challenging one. Okay.
All right.
I'm not showing you the pieces this time, but what do you think? 1 by 4 will be bigger or 1 by 7 will be bigger?
I think 1 by 4 will be bigger than 1 by 7, ma'am.
Okay, how can we check now? Now we don't have any pieces, so how can we check?
Ma'am, if we take a whole cake and cut it into 4 pieces, then one piece will be 1 by 4. And if
Okay.
we take whole cake and cut it into 7 pieces, then one piece will be 1 by 7. So
Okay.
1/4 piece cake would be bigger as compared to 1 by 7 cake piece.
Okay, so let us check. Let me do it for you. Let me cut that cake for you. Okay. Okay. So I have placed this 1 by 4 cake here and I've drawn a 1 by 7 cake. Okay. So I have put a 1 by 4 cake here, this side,
Yes, ma'am.
and I have placed, I've drawn a 1 by 7 cake here. So
आपके पास बहुत
okay, so you said this cake is cut into 1 by 4. That means 4 pieces are there. And in this cake, there are 7 pieces because it is 1 by
Yes.
7. So that means which one is bigger?
So, ma'am, we can see that 1 by 4 piece is bigger than 1 by 7.
Yeah. So that means you are saying that if the cake is cut in less number of pieces, then each piece will be
Bigger. And
bigger.
if it's cut into more number of pieces, then each piece will be smaller.
Wow, that's amazing. So let me ask you another question. What if I give you a cake of 1 by 5 and 1 by 7? What will be bigger then?
And I think then also 1 by 5 will be bigger because 1 by 7 will be again more pieces as compared to 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 will be bigger than 1 by 7.
Okay, so shall we draw and check?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so I've drawn it for you. Now, can you explain why you say that this one is bigger?
Yes, ma'am. If you look at the cake, which has 5 pieces, each piece is bigger and is 1/5 of the whole cake. If you
Right.
look at the second cake, which is 1 by 7, there are more pieces. That means there's 7 pieces cut out of the whole cake. And each piece is smaller than the 1 by 5th piece of cake.
Very well, Shweta. So let me ask you even more challenging question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I'm ready.
What if you have a cake of 1 by 20 and another cake is of 1 by 9? So what do you think then?
I think 1 by 20 will have more pieces. That means 1 by 20 will be smaller.
Okay, so that means you're saying that 1 by 20 will be cut into 20 pieces, which is a lot more. So each piece will be smaller. And what about 1 by 9?
Ma'am, 1 by 9 will have only 9 pieces and 20 is more. So 1 by 9 piece will be bigger than 1 by 20.
Okay, so let us check that out, shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right. So is the drawing looking fine? 1 by 9 and 1 by 20. Is it looking fine?
Yes, ma'am. As I can see, 1 by 20 pieces smaller as compared to 1 by 9 piece. And ma'am, also 1 by 9 looks very similar or close to 1 by 8 piece.
Absolutely. That's right. So why is this piece looking smaller?
Ma'am, this is smaller because the cake is being cut into 20 pieces, which is like a lot more than 9 pieces of a cake.
Wow. So that's
And ma'am, can I also share one more thing?
absolutely.
Ma'am, if I look at the cake pieces carefully, I think it's somewhere close. 1 by 20 is somewhere half of 1 by 9. Almost.
Okay.
Almost
Almost
half
half.
of 1
Not
by 9.
exact half, but almost half. Right. That's
Yes, ma'am.
good. Okay, that's good. So that means today we concluded one thing, that there are 2-3 ways. What can be the one way to check which cake is bigger? Yes, Shweta?
First one is that we can superimpose on one another and check which one is bigger.
Absolutely. What can be another way?
And another way can be, ma'am, that the more number of pieces that we cut the cake into, the smaller the piece would be. So if I have a whole cake and I'm cutting it into more pieces, then the cake piece will keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller.
Absolutely. Very good, Shweta. So I'm going to give you a few comparing sums. Would you like to do them? Would you like to try them out?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Then have a good time and enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am. You too.